Hi all mga Smarts! Welcome back ulit sa ating YouTube channel. So for today's video and content, another full review na naman tayo sa isang Android phone. So pass muna tayo sa mga iPhone. So let's go ahead and have a full review sa isang Android phone. So recently, we actually have a lot of comments and requests sa YouTube channel, sa TikTok, and also sa Facebook natin about sa isang unit. So narinig namin of course yung mga requests inyo na why not try to review this product and then have a feedback from us na syempre, of course, na gusto lang namin i-share para din if by any chance you want to purchase, medyo makakatulong kami sa inyo ng very, very light. So, we have here the Vivo Y04. So, recently, we already have an unboxing with this iPhone, or with this, sorry. So, recently, we already have an unboxing with this Android phone. So, as you can see, again, ng mga sis Mars, very aesthetic yung kanyang design. So, let's go ahead and proceed checking the camera, the features of this Android phone. But before that, of course, mga sis Mars, let's go ahead first and check the quick specification of this Android phone. So, si Vivo Y04, this was released way back on February 2025. Sa display mga sis Mars, meron 6.74 inches IPS LCD na merong 90 Hz refresh rate. Sa kanyang body details naman, meron itong back, plastic, and plastic frame. Sa IP feature, meron itong IP64 meaning dust light and water resistant po si Vivo Y04. Sa chipset, meron itong Unisoc T7225 12nm na merong Android 14 Fun Touch 14. Sa GPU, meron itong Mali G52 at pagdating naman po sa storage yung mga Sysmars, meron itong 3 variants. So, meron tayong 64GB, 4GB of RAM, 128GB na merong 4GB of RAM, 256GB na merong 4GB of RAM. Sa camera specification naman natin Vivo Y04, meron itong 13 megapixel main camera at support to ng video recording na 1080p na merong 30 FPS. At sa selfie camera, meron itong 5 megapixel. Sa color preference naman itong ating Android phone, meron tayong 3 variants. So meron tayong titanium gold, dark green, and also violet. So, yung na-purchase natin is titanium gold. But again, mga sis Mars, if you're going to purchase this, huwag kayo masyado magugulat kasi it look like titanium silver talaga. Sa battery capacity, meron itong 5,000 mAh battery capacity that is non-removable and we have 15 watts fast charging rate. Sa security sensor, we also have here fingerprint which is naka-design sa side mountain niya. And we also have here a face recognition. That is our quick specification look dito sa ating Android phone. So, ito yung ating Vivo Y04. As you can see. So, meron itong mga na-download na games of course. And then, let's just check the settings. Quick setting lang tayo since we already explored this one sa unboxing natin. So, as you can see right here about phone, FunTouch OS 14, this is Vivo Y04, octa-core yung kanyang processor. We have 8GB of RAM, a total of 8GB of RAM with Android 14 version. So, this is 128GB of ROM, sorry. Again, this one is 5,200 pesos with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of ROM. Pagdating sa kanyang security, we have a fingerprint and also face sensor or security sensor. Sa fingerprint, we have here the side mounted. So, let's try that here. So, let's try this one. Mag-a-add tayo ng fingerprint. Let's start with start enrollment. So, yan. Let's check if gaano ba kabilis yung fingerprint sensor nitong Vivo Y04. Wait lang. Let's just be patient lang. Kasi kinikilala niya pa yung ating daliri. Ayan. Alright, one more. Almost done. Okay. So, done na. So, let's try to lock the phone and then, okay. See that? Alright, one more. Oh, lock. Lock natin using our nails. Baka sabihin nyo, naka-ano talaga siya eh. Oh. So far, mabilis ang kanyang fingerprint sensor. Sa kanyang face naman, let's try if mabilis ba siyang makakilala ng face or ng kanyang amo. So, add alternate face since may face recognition ng Joseph J. Let's remove my eyeglass. Ay! Ate! Nag-enrollment complete. Kakatanggal ko lang ng eyeglass ko. Ano yun? Bakit ganun? Tignan natin kung makikilala niya ako. Nakita niyo yun, tinanggal ko yun. Lo, isa pa. Bading, nakilala niya kahit nag-blur yung ano. Bakit naman ganun kabilis? Kakatanggal ko lang ng eyeglass ko, na-recognize niya. Ang galing nga. Maganda yung ano niya, kahit pala lumingon ka, mare-recognize ka niya. So, ayan. We also have phone clone in here. If by any chance you have another device, ayan. Good thing they actually have a phone clone. Sa application may nahanap din ako. Ayun may application na clone. So, usually kasi, syempre, dalawa yung Facebook na ginagamit ko. I'm using the page, so, I'm handling some page then since I'm a social media manager. So, kailangan ko talaga ng another application for Facebook. So, good thing that I actually have an app clone. Alright, so far, that is just our quick specification or settings look pagdating sa ating Vivo Y04. Let's try to check the camera. Front facing, photo, ayan. So, let's explore this one more sa ating camera review. Pahapyaw lang tayo ng very, very light if gano'n nga ba kalinaw at kaganda ang Vivo Y04 camera. Okay. So, let's try also to play video. Pero syempre, ang i-play natin is yung YouTube natin. Baka kasi makopyright tayo. Of course, di ko naman ika-copyright yung sarili ko, mare ko, no? So, let's just turn on the Wi-Fi first. Hold on. This one, and then, let's wait. Pop-up na kasi yung madaming notification dyan. So, let's with A-Stories. A-Stories. So, let's look for A-Stories. Ano ba tong ating kuko? Medyo mahaba na kasi yung nail growth ko, kaya medyo mahirap na ako mag-type. So, A-Stories. Yan, okay. So, let's play our eto, yung ating unboxing. Hanapin natin. Ito yung unboxing natin.
Are you a vending machine operator?
Okay.
Facing challenges with monitoring real-time
Quality,
machine performance,
advanced,
daily sales tracking,
1080p,
or timely remote?
skip ad tayo. So, at the same time, sinecheck na din natin mga sis-Mars, yung speaker and also camera screen ng ating
So for today's video and content,
Vivo Y04.
another unboxing na naman tayo na isang Android phone. Of course, we also have full review dito and also camera test and game test. But right now, let's start first with the unboxing and revelation. So we have here Vivo Y0 manual. Alright. And then, we have here the brick, of course. So, we have here, ilang watts ba tong adapter or brick nila? I'm not sure. So, let's check this later on. So, this is the charger.
This is the speaker.
We have the charging.
Look at the speaker.
Okay, we also have here the connector. Charging connector. Ayan. I'm not sure if this one is Type-C.
Okay. So far, maganda naman yung kanyang screen and also volume. Hindi siya ganoon kabasag, mga sis-Mars. Kasi mostly talaga pag ganito na 200 times yung volume, expect yun na medyo basag at medyo, alam niyo na, yung parang nasa loob ka ng CR. But this one is not that one. So that is just our quick full review with this Android phone. Let's proceed with our conclusion. So si Vivo Y04, we purchased this one sa Shopee. Nasa link po ng description box natin kung saan nyo siya legitimate mabibili. This is worth 5,200 pesos. And the gigabytes or the storage that we purchased is 4 gig of RAM na merong 128 gigabytes of storage. So, nagustuhan ko dito, of course, yung kanyang display. Sa display mga sis-Mars, okay naman siya. Classy naman, tignan yung ating Android phone. If you're going to tilt the phone, meron ka namang something na effect na makikita. So, ayan, kung mapapansin nyo, para siyang may wavy or some line na yan. Pero this is just a plain or a smooth design. So, next naman is sa kanyang speaker. Yung speaker naman nito mga sis-Mars is actually good. Wala, di naman siya sobrang basag. Pero of course, syempre, kung nag-expect kayo ng high quality na speakers na sobrang lakas, like dual speaker, this is not a dual speaker po, ha? We only have one speaker grills dito sa taas. But this one is still working fine. Maganda naman siya for me since hindi naman ako fan ng sobrang lakas na speaker. So, next is yung kanyang camera. Nagpahapyaw naman na ako sa camera nito. Chinek ko naman na yung feature ng camera niya. But hindi pa sobrang fully, alam nyo na, yung kinalkal talaga or chinek ng very, very mabusisi, ganon. Pero chinek ko naman yung quality ng camera. Well, actually, good naman. Pero I'm not yet giving my own feedback pa sa camera kasi hindi ko pa check yung feature. But I'm not sure, guys, if this one is a sensor or a lens kasi parang feel ko this is just a design or a sensor. Sa kanyang camera module naman, actually this is 10 out of 10. If this one is working, ha. If this one is 10 out of 10 since parang mukha na siyang iPhone 16. So if you're going to look on the camera module, ganyan din naman yung camera module ng iPhone 16. Kaya para sa akin, this one is 10 out of 10. So so far, yun lang man talaga yung mga nagustuhan ko dito sa Vivo na to. Yung display niya, yung screen size niya, yung speaker niya, since I'm not that fan naman ng sobrang malakas na speaker, yung kanyang fingerprint sensor, and also, sa gaming naman mga sis-Mars, well, actually, sa gaming, okay naman siya sa high resolution, but expect nyo, of course, na meron tayong mga medyo malag or frame drop. So, for me, mga sis-Mars, if you're going to use this, of course, sa gaming, pwede na siguro siya. Pero, I suggest na wag nyo na lang isa-set yung resolution nyo into highest resolution or frame. Kasi, I suggest na dun lang kayo sa medium. Kasi pag high siguro, bukod sa iinit yung phone, kasi basically, pag uminit yung phone, dun na magsisimula yung tension na magkakaroon ng mga frame drops eh. Especially pag naglalaro kayo ng COD or Genshin or Mobile Legends dyan. So, I suggest na go with the medium lang na resolution. Mas okay siguro yon para maka-experience kayo ng smooth pagdating sa gaming. But this one is actually fine. Sa gaming naman, wala naman ako masyadong napansin sa kanya. Kasi okay naman at smooth naman yung experience ko dito pagdating sa gaming. Sa video naman, sa kanyang screen, actually okay naman siya. Medyo, siguro hindi lang talaga kasi ako fan ng mga notch display. Ayan, mga notch display na phone. As you can see, notch pa kasi to na Android phone. 5,200 pesos siguro may mabibili naman na tayong Android phone na naka-punch hole. But this one is still a notch display ng camera. So, for me siguro, mas okay na ginawa na nila siguro tong punch hole. Since hindi naman kabawasan siguro yung magagamit nila or magagamit ng likes. Hindi na siguro ganun kalaki yung expenses na gagawin nila if ginawa nila siyang punch hole. So, yun lang. So, based on my experience, of course, I can still recommend this phone if by any chance you want to, hindi naman kayo sobrang heavy user for gaming. Ayan. Sa camera, proceed na lang kayo sa next video kasi wala pa ako masyadong conclusion dyan. Pero nakapagpahapyaw naman ako, this one is actually fine naman. Hindi pa ako makakapag-rate. Sa chipset, okay naman siya mga sis-Mars sa display. Ting na ayaw ko lang is yung kanyang display dito sa camera. Ay siguro mas maganda talaga na ginawa na nila tong punch hole. Yun lang naman mga sis-Mars, dalawa lang naman. So far naman, okay naman ako sa ibang mga feature niya. Especially sa chipset, okay naman siya pang gaming, but not as pag heavy user ka, of course, mas okay akong i-recommend, of course, yung mga mid-range phone natin, like Nubia, yung mga ganyan, yung mga gaming phone natin, and also iPhone for gaming also. But this one, 5,000 mAh battery, 5,500 mAh battery capacity is good. Matagal nyo na magagamit yan, of course, at makunat po yung battery capacity ng ating Vivo Y04. So, that's it mga sis-Mars, yung aking full review dito sa Android phone na to. I hope nakatulong ako sa inyo na very, very light when it comes to sharing my own thoughts pagdating sa kanyang chipset, sa display, sa video recording, sa speaker, sa fingerprint. Ayan mga sis-Mars, okay na okay naman si Vivo Y04. If gusto niyo pong mag-purchase ng unit to, nasa description box na lang po ang kanyang link. If meron pa kayong other request with this phone, if may iba kayong katanungan, just comment down below. Sasagutin naman natin yan. Alright? So don't forget to follow me on my TikTok account, Ada Stories. See you ulit sa ating next full review buyers.